Get ready, going green.
So in the Legends at Snetterton, these cars are great fun to drive. Snetterton's a difficult track. There's some really quite difficult corners. I'm towards the back. I didn't do as well in qualifying as I'd hoped.
Green, green, green.
We got going. Let's just see if we can keep with the pack for as long as we can. Get the tyres warmed up. These are easy to crash, these cars, I've found.
Right side, go left.
What's that guy found out?
Clear.
Yeah, I got this long straight and then a really difficult corner at the end of it, which again is easy to go off at. So I think we can get a bit of a slipstream. I'm not sure we will. Anyway, let's see what happens at this corner, because I think there'll be some shenanigans. It's all about braking gently, I found. And then getting through the bomb hole without going off. Like that guy did. And then around here, taking as much speed as you can, but not too much. And then getting braked for this left-hander is not easy either. And that's a lap. Doesn't take long, does it? But it is a tough track, this. I'm finding in this car, it's not easy. So this guy ahead's not particularly quick, and I'm not particularly quick, so I think we'll probably end up being together. Better through there this time without having a car crashing in front of us. These feel very slidey. Hey, we got out of there quick, didn't he? Bloody hell, am I in the wrong gear? I wonder. Got out of there a lot quicker than I did. So we're 8th, so not too bad. You do have to be so cautious through that. Oh, I do anyway. And through that bit. Nice to get by this guy if we can. Too much brake. Dear, dear. They are very twitchy. Can't do anything with the brake bias. .268. Okay. You're doing the 22s, really. 23s, maybe. We're a long way off that.
The car in P5 just set the fastest lap. 23.148. 26.614. New fastest lap for you.
Okay, we're closing up on this guy a little bit. Oh,
10 minutes to go.
not good. They are hard to drive, I have to say. A lot of fun, but hard to drive.
Car stopped ahead. You got a slow car on the right.
Okay, that's somebody else off. Should be right with them around here. Oh, it's going to be 4 of us racing. It's a bit of a better lap for us. Still not quick though, is it? Yeah, still not quick.
5.33. You've just set your fastest lap of the session. You got a slow car on the right. Car stopped on the right.
Dear, someone else off.
Go left.
Gosh, lucky not to get hit there, weren't we? Just suddenly appeared. It'd be good to get past these two if we could.
Car on your left. Still there. Clear.
Okay, we got by 1. Let's go after this other guy, although he seems a bit quicker, doesn't he, than us?
The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 22.94.
Okay, we haven't got a slipstream now, so we're going to be a bit slower.
.371. Car on your left. Clear.
He looked like he was going to try and come up the inside then, didn't he? So I had to defend. Yeah, the guy ahead's a lot quicker than us. He obviously just had a problem and now he's getting away again. So I don't know if we're going to be able to catch.
There's an incident behind.
Incident behind. Somebody gone off?
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 22.898.
Yeah, got a little way ahead of David, the other David, in the race. But we're not going fast, so I think we might be marooned, yeah? Unless something else happens.
627. Car stopped ahead.
Oh, I changed into first when I shouldn't have done. Bloody hell.
You cut the course, you've got to slow down and give up that time.
Ah. Don't change gear. That's annoying. Will that work? Gotta catch these two up again now. I tried going through there flat out in practice and went off spectacularly, so
5 minutes to go.
I'm closing back in on them, aren't I? So that's good. I might be able to get back past.
.919.
Didn't do so well around there that time though.
Slow car ahead. Go
You done
left.
what I did. Looks like it, doesn't it? Okay, so we've got this guy ahead now then. Emil. Can we get on the back of him? Got a nice line through there, hasn't he? Better than ours. He's got some good speed actually, hasn't he? It's helping us, I think. This will be our quickest lap anyway, so that's a little bit better. Still too slow though.
8, 4, 1. You've just set your fastest lap of the session.
Oh, all that good work. Undone. Oh. That's frustrating. See if we can close in again then.
You got a slow car on the right.
Okay, someone else has gone off. Is that other car again? He's quick but fragile then, is he? Is that the same one? Or was it a different one? Different one, isn't it? Not sure. Anyway, he's quicker than us. So whether we'll be able to close in at all, I don't know.
4, 1, 2.
Let's see if we can go round. No, I was going to say let's see if we can go round in fifth, but I don't think it really works. Let's not ruin it all. Too much throttle. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Oh, we both nearly went off then. This is a really hard corner, that one. Braking and turning. It's a bit of a big sausage curb, that is. Need to keep off that. Okay, white flag.
One more lap to go.
One more to go.
9.
And we close in. Little bit. Second away, though. Don't think it's going to happen, is it? Don't think it's going to happen.
You got a slow car on the right. Car stopped on the right.
Someone else has gone off. Those two gonna bang doors on the last corner. What do you reckon? No, maybe not. Oh well, not too bad. It could have been a lot worse. Need to go a lot quicker though. Good fun race. I might do some more, only a 1X as well, which is good.
You got a slow car on the right.
So let's have a look at those incidents.
Checkered flag, checkered flag.
Okay then, so this is a start. I'm sort of pretty much at the back. So what happened then? So was there an incident on the first corner here? Yeah, so easy to do. Oh, and he just tipped somebody else. That was unlucky. And was he driving angry? Yeah, he's gone off again. Oh dear. He's had enough. Is it the same car again? My goodness. Is it just this guy's incidents? Well, yeah, too close to the edge, mate, that. Then what happened? Oh, yeah. I mean, unlucky. These are hard to drive, these cars. Oh, yeah, that was unlucky as well. My goodness. No. Yeah, too much throttle. I did that, didn't I? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Bit of a mess. That's going to happen here, then. Yeah, that's what I did. Turning right and braking, and you just go off. Is this too much throttle? Yeah, too much throttle. Where are we here? I can hear another car. I just lost it. What I did as well. Oh, managed to find the Barrett. No. Oh, lucky. This looks like it's going to end in tears, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Now what have we got? Oh, yeah. Just too much on the brakes. And he's done it again, has he? Too much throttle this time. Wow. Interesting. Lots of incidents. Let's have a look at the results. So results, and that was top split down to 2. Managed to get a bit saturating. I got dangerously close to going below 2. Lost a bit of I rating, but I'll get that back at some point. Yeah, 23, 22.8, 22.9. I'm a long way off that. So I'm 24.8. So I'm 2 seconds a lap off, and it's not that long a lap. I do find these hard to drive. They don't suit my style. But I'll persevere, see how I get on. If you want to see that, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe see you next time at the track.